Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another CSS Battle challenge. And we have this beautiful sunset right here, and let's make it class of sun. That's it. We're gonna start the sun now. I'm gonna give it a height of 100%, width of 100%, and background of linear gradients. And we'll start with this guy. Okay, so start with the red color and we end with the green color. Okay, so now we're gonna use a color stop to make it perfectly half. So all right, now position relative. Okay, so now let's make the sun. That's a circle. We're gonna be using the pseudo elements after, and content. Make this guy height of or height of 200 pixel, width of 200 pixel, total radius 50%, background of yellow, and let's make it center, display grid, and place content. Place content center. Cool. So the next thing to do is to create this type, like the wave. So content of this, and position absolute, bottom 0. I'll give it width of 100% and height of 50%, and background, copy this guy, paste it here, and we want this color, not yellow. And so now we need to use the repeating linear gradient property for this one. And first off, I'm gonna create the linear gradient of this, and I'm gonna have transparent. All right, so I'm gonna just use some color stops and this places 15 pixel, and I will start the linear gradient. I will start the transparent at 15 pixel, and we go all the way to 25 pixel, and so to make this repeat this process, we just put the repeating linear gradient, and that's it. Okay, what the hell? I have 90%. Okay, it's not perfect. So to fix this, we should it's because of the outer margin. So to fix that, let's just use the reset property. So margin 0. All right, let's hit center again. Cool, 100%, and thanks guys. See you next time.